Hey guys, I'm on my way to dinner and we are doing, this is Berman Hat Day. This is the best I got, y'all. So, here we go. Alright, let's go check out everybody. Bye. Hi guys, whoop, gotta get up out here. Try to get both of y'all. Everybody has a hat. Look at all the hats. This is the best I could get.
It's right.
Look at everybody's hats. Everybody's hats.
What's up? Hey, what's going on?
Yes, everybody's hats. Who's right there?
It would be Shayna, but she's not here today.
So that means me?
Yeah.
I get to sit next to this lovely lady.
I see you over there too.
See the hats. See the hats. See the hats. And without, because I'm going to take this off in a minute because it hurts. Everybody. Alright, let me see the hats. And that's okay. I'm about to take this off in a minute. Turn points. Turn points. I'm about to take this off in a minute. That's okay. That's okay. I'm getting everybody. I want to get everybody. I want to get everybody. You are nowhere near shy. What is the problem?
I'm sorry, no paparazzi right now.
You ain't shy.
I'm very shy right now.
You ain't shy. Where your whistle? You ain't shy. I'm just trying to get everybody.
God bless you.
No, Miss Edna, I want to say that was the funnest thing I think I've ever done. And I'm so glad I practiced drinking so I could do it. Yes, I've been drinking with my family to handle it.
Did you just give her a tip for the bar crawl?
I did.
I'm gonna need you to go all the way over there and sit down and have 7 seats. Excuse me. I'm gonna need you to go over there and have 7 seats. You gave her a tip for the bar crawl?
That's nice. I appreciate
I do
that.
that too because that was the funnest game I've ever played.
That was sweet. Go sit down.
Can you give your sister some?
I want you to go sit down.
Thank you for participating.
I'm getting a hard real.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hey guys, so I am on my way to the Mega Deck Party and let's check it out and see how it is. Alright. First
When I think about you, I think about I would do anything. Only thing is don't stop. You making me high.
wanna blow your mind. Every single thing you do. the places ain't fair, you know.
I don't know the word.
I gotta go in shoes. Thank you, Leprechauni. That thing's saying something. I thought it had to be in the front. Let's go, Leprechauni, Leprechauni, Leppy. What you doing? What you doing? Wild. I got a good shot. Oh, thingy come in. I need a thingy right here. Oh, are all three of you doing something? Oh, the clover. Spit it over. Okay. You blocker. Oh, you do it again. Thingy. Oh shit! Why did I got it going. See that? Yeah. I know you're doing so good and all. Let's still. Yeah. Drop it, baby! Yay! Drop them! Hey! Good job! It did not give me an 8 like I said. Oh. I'm greedy. Give me some more. Oh, that's nice position.
Oh, look like you winning.
I am winning. Oh, right here. Oh, spit all this. Come on, baby, you ain't give me all to me yet. Oh, nice position. Give me. Leprechauni, thank you. Oh, shit. I gotta go. Yeah. Tall. Come on, baby. Hey. Tall. Boom. Dang. She. Look at that. What is that? What is that? What is? Got a queen shoe. I got a great shoe. Man, if it wasn't for this music, I would be able to keep this in my video. I'm on vacation, baby. Oh, and a retrigger. Nope, ain't happening. Oh, you put them on all of them? Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. What you giving me? What you giving me? That's nice. What you giving me here? There's no tall. What you gonna Spit all the way across. Mother Hubba, you spit all the way across like I just said to you. Yo, that's a coin show. All right, come on, cats. Come on, keep going. Come on, give me another one. Now I need you to match. Nice. That's what's up. That's what. I got a great shoe. Oh, 20. Come on, kitties. Kitty, 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 kitty. Hey, hey, hey. Queen shoe. Oh, you didn't match. That's a bigger coin show. I don't know what it is. Does not matter. If it does not have sound, it can still give you a coin. Even if it don't have sound, a coin show. Oh my gosh. How much? Kitties again. Give me some kitties. Let's two the heck out of this mud. Kitties. Ooh, kitty. 3. You see that 3? Ooh, you see that 3? Ooh. Yay! I gotta do my 3 backup. $10. Hey guys, so I did really good in the casino. Good to me. I done came up. So now I am up in the casino, I believe, compared to what I spent. Yay! Now I am making my way to the room. Alrighty guys, bye-bye. Oh, I don't say that. Enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my carnival experiences.